the spit was having an oil change. Okay, I'm reversing.
Three spits below me. I've gone vertical with 3 spits below.
Are you climbing right here?
Yeah. This is the last spit.
I'm below you. Yep, I see him.
Pilot kill. I got another one climbing on me. Watch out, one is coming head on with you.
I'm on the one that's climbing.
Got a 3-plane train here. At the back of it. It's groove. I'm on the one you're on as well when you're off.
I'm off.
He's trying to climb with you, but he's not going to make it. I'm behind him.
You're clear.
There's another one heading towards French Point. Damn. Couldn't make the turn.
Hits all over him.
We got him as well.
4K.
Got his
one is on you. Watch out, watch out. Break, 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 break.
Yes, in.
Coming down on him. Fly towards France.
Yeah, I'm turning.
Oh shit, my radiator busted, guys. I gotta get out of here.
Coming.
See ya.
I'm diving towards the coast.
Setting him up.
He's off, he's off.
Copy.
Pulling back up.
I don't know how I busted the radiator. Shit. My fault, guys. I'm out. Heading towards.
He's down on deck.
See him. Close to home. I'm going to go in.
I'm out of cannon, so there is one contact west of us. Go out. Watch out.
I have MGs as well, but I'll have a pass at it.
I'll check out the west contact. It looks like he's diving on someone.
Our spit's trying to turn back in left.
Copy. Watch out, there is something diving behind you.
Okay, and then fast.
Spitfire, Spitfire, watch out, watch out, watch out. He's far, but I'm diving behind him.
Guy broke. See the spit. Stay on the lead.
That spit is pretty damaged, has big holes, but
Okay.
I'm trying to get on him, he's getting close. Hits. Still on you.
About to break off this spit, I can't turn.
Yeah, just break.
Standing on the rudder. Into a spin. I heard that was good.
Ah, don't do it. Don't do it.
Watch out, there are now 2 on you.
Descending for the cliff.
Copy, dropping down.
They're strafing here at Weesant.
Okay, one is breaking. One is still following you, but he's far.
See him. I'll keep extending if you get a chance.
Just do
Ah,
it.
you faggot. I was right on the ground and he strafed me. This faggot. Ah. You know when you land and you're about to despawn, he killed us. He got me right on.
Good
That's all right.
hits.
Sorry guys. I was just pissed. I got it in. You know what I mean?
He's flopped, Groove.
Copy, and I will drop on the second one. There are both down there, watch out. The second one is now turned on you.
Good shot. Excellent.
But he's
In
still
trouble.
shooting.
He's only got one wing. The other one's coming up now. He's climbing for you. I don't think he's gonna get you underneath him.
He's flopped.
out. Living on him. Of MGs. Behind you.
Yeah, I'm pulling up.
Disconnected from your channel.
Watch out, the venting one is turning. He wants to fight more. He's on you. He's shooting.
Heading up towards Calais.
He's off.
Copy.
Now one is coming on me, but he won't have energy to follow that turn.
Long shot. He's just out of range. I'm coming back over. He's looking at me now.
Yeah, they are both behind me. Now
Let's roll onto the venter. Can have a
Copy.
look for mines. Flop below me. I'll go for his friend.
Okay, I'm going for strength. He's just beneath me. I will have a shot here.
Okay, I'm on the venter.
Missed. Watch out, the other one is coming towards you.
Okay. Straight through. I'm not going to get into that.
He's cutting the
Start a
turn.
spiral climb.
He's cutting the turn.
I see him. Going steep. Loses energy if he doesn't. Needs a clean hit on me. Good shot.
Flopped.
The venter's back.
Yeah, but
He's flopping. I'm going to get him now. The one's back. You're on him. You're on him.
just overshot him.
Gonna have to dive.
He's off. He's off.
Thank you.
Venter, head back towards England.
I'm after the first one now.
Copy. Coming back around. He's below on deck.
Behind him. Behind you.
Pulling up.
He's after you. No, he's not.
He don't have he just burned everything. Oh, he's venting, nice
Damaged now.
hits.
Yeah. He's desperately going to try and climb with me here. Okay, rolling back around. Okay, I'm in.
Copy. Coming behind you.
Okay. Putting the brakes on there. Aggressive roll.
Do you think he can make it home with?
Yeah. To pop his oil. Above you, I'll be in when you're off. Staying to his right.
Now he's just hitting the rudder so crazy I can get a shot. I'm gonna let him go. The map will end soon anyway.
Last pass.
Yeah, I'm coming for the pass as well.
I'm nearly out of fuel. I'm gonna leave him.
Yeah, same here. I'm doing pass and I'm going home. His engine will stop. His propeller is,
It's finished.
yeah, more or less start to.
Let's go.
Yeah, he
Nurse
just
it back.
crashed.
I was dizzy. Survived though.